I just love these views of the sky on the trail. So you can see we're at the Graybeard Mountain View Overlook. Elevation here is 5,600 feet almost. Look how beautiful that is. You can drive to this because it's on the BRP, but the MST crosses it. So you definitely could drive to it. So 99% of the people, 99.9% of the people don't have to earn it. They just drive to it. But we earned it. Here it is for you to see. And look at this, ready? Even higher, we're going. Mountains were put there for a reason. They were put there to climb. But if you're physically incapable, I completely understand that. You know, people have disabilities. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Happy hiking, y'all. How's that view for you? How beautiful is that? Long way down. Woo-wee. Beautiful mountains in the distance. Oh, that's why we hike. That's why we hike. Earn every mountain, earn every view. So pretty. What a beautiful view this morning at mile 52.9 between Graybeard Mountain Overlook and Glass Mines Overlook. Gorgeous day for hiking. It really is. Happy hiking, y'all. Here's a view from Glass Mine Falls Overlook on the Blue Ridge Parkway, which the Mountain to Sea Trail follows for many miles. It is beautiful. You come up right there. You come out of the woods and you come right up this ramp to the overlook. It is a long way down. Fall down there, like I've said before on other high ones, game over. Game over. So beautiful today. It's so quiet out here. Most tourists don't come out this far, so there's barely any cars. It's a really cool valley. That picture shows you the base of a tree after it fell. These are just placards that talk about the rhododendrons and some of the other wild bushes that grow on the trail. And beautiful skyline. Beautiful, beautiful. Another picture. I just thought that tree was cool. And then what we got here is just a bunch of flowers, just early spring. You can see the beauty and just the color and just, it's just amazing. All natural colors of nature. And it's just amazing to me to see all these beautiful colors. Thanks for watching.